So today's the day our real northern Vietnam adventure begins. And this morning we got up. I'm really out of breath walking in this backpack.
Hold up. So Operation Motorbike.
Yeah, so this morning we got up and went to Style Motorbikes, and we arranged our bike that's going to take us around the north of Vietnam. And for 3 weeks it's
$280 from it?
Yeah, $280 to rent it. So we're going to rent it from Hanoi. We're going to do the north and then come back to Hanoi.
Yeah, back to Hanoi.
So yeah, let's go.
And a whole lot of balls.
Let's go pick it up. Yeah. There's our bike. Oh no, it's over there.
Oh, that was it. There she is. Old reliable.
And this is where we got her from. How you feeling?
I feel good. I'm excited. I want to get going. I want to rock and roll. See what Vietnam's got, baby.
Yeah. Oh. Wrap it up like a pork roll. Oh my god, I can't believe we're going to ride that.
Let's do it, baby.
Ready?
Yeah. You want?
Probably.
Okay, baby.
Ooh, here we go. Oh my god, this is nuts. Remember, if you need to take a break, you can.
Okay.
Got the tissue hanging out my nose. I'm falling.
There you go.
My nose won't stop snotting. Nearly there, we've got 6 minutes.
6 minutes to go.
6 minutes. We're literally just about to drive.
So cold.
Yeah, it's definitely cold. I don't know if it's just a cold day or if it's cold in general, but I do think that we're going to have to invest in some warmer clothes or a coat. Long ride.
No, that was the longest one there.
It was the end. Oh, is it a warm pool or is it a cold pool? Oh. Hello!
Get the passport, please. Yeah.
Oh yeah, I've got those. That was a long drive.
That was long.
Around 2 hours, yeah?
Yeah.
Longer than what I thought.
How long has it been to Vietnam?
We're here for 30 days, aren't we?
Yeah, we're in,
5 days.
yeah, 30 days.
Hanoi.
We've done 4 days. We've only just started, so 4 days in Hanoi. We did 2 days in Halong Bay.
Yeah, Halong Bay.
Bay.
Back to Hanoi.
And now here, yes, okay.
Mm.
We show you the room first, yeah?
Okay.
Pandemic, yeah.
Oh, lovely. Look at this.
Yeah, then we go.
You can sleep there.
The wife.
Lovely.
Well, I've been naughty.
Yeah. Amazing. Thank you.
And if you need something else, just come out there.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Perfect. Thank you. It's lovely. This is nice, isn't it? Cute little garden.
we survived from Hanoi to Ninh Binh.
Yeah, it definitely took us a lot longer than we expected.
It wasn't that bad, that's what I thought. Getting out of the city was a little bit dodgy, but
yeah, it was a little bit ropey at first.
But then we, once you're on the road, that's it.
Yeah, definitely took twice as long as we thought it was going to, which is good to know for future reference.
Yeah.
So yeah, we can figure that out when we're looking at where we're going to go next.
And now it's nothing but smooth sailing from here.
Yeah. So we're just gonna check out for now.
I think we're just gonna chill out.
Yeah, I think we're just gonna spend the evening chilling, having something to eat, and yeah, have a whole day of Ninh Binh tomorrow. Okay, so if I didn't tell you yesterday, or you didn't know, I'm not very well. But I'm starting to feel a little bit better. And we're just, because we've only got one day in Ninh Binh, we're going to go and have a little look around. We've got a little boat tour planned. Hopefully go to a night market tonight.
Yeah, like that.
And we're also going to go up to a viewpoint. Oh, no, up there. We've just ridden to Tam Coc. We've parked up our bike here.
Thank you very much.
I'm not sure if you have to pay, but this lovely gentleman has charged us 15,000.
To park?
Yeah, he's charged us 15,000 to park, so at least we know he's going to look after it in our helmet.
50 cents for a VIP valet.
I don't know if we have to pay or not, or if it's a thing, but at least we know our bike's being looked after.
And it's 50 cents anyway. You want a life jacket?
I think you have to have a life jacket.
You have to have one?
I think so.
You want one? Oh, just keep this one.
Thank you. Oh, we're going to get on one of these boats.
Hello.
One in front, one behind.
Am I in the front yet, babe?
Yeah, you go in front.
We're in. So we're doing the we're doing the Tam Coc boat tour this time. Tam Coc. So last time we came, we did the Trang An, which is supposedly, I'm not sure which one's better actually, but we'll let you know. But yeah, we're going to go for a little boat tour. Babe?
Yeah, that was good, that was.
It was, wasn't it? It was really nice. Nice and relaxing, but my bum is hurting.
Yeah.
It's definitely hurting.
My hips as well.
I wouldn't be able to say whether like Trang An or Tam Coc was better. They're both pretty nice, so if you can get to either one. I think
the Kong Skull Island one.
Yeah.
Because of the Kong thing,
And I think that there was more caves in that one, wasn't there?
But they're both naturally beautiful.
Yeah.
We are at the Mua Cave.
Yeah, so we're going to walk up 500 steps. Don't know how well that's going to go, considering I'm not feeling very well, but we've got one day and we're going to do it.
Yeah, we'll smash it out.
Because we didn't get to do this last time.
No, we missed out.
This was on the list last time, so yeah. We're going all the way up there. I think we may have been mugged off of parking again.
Yeah, another 50 cents.
Definitely done us.
Done us dirty.
We should have kept driving. Yeah, look, there's a parking up here.
Oh, no.
Cheeky. At least we know for future.
Just don't stop.
Yeah, just drive. So update on the motorbike parking. Come drive down, go past the ticket office and you can pay here. And it's 10k for a motorbike. We only paid 15, but it's the principle, isn't it? It's all very pretty.
Yeah.
Which way? That way. Here we go.
This is what 500 steps look like.
Oh no.
You ready? Each step is another step closer to greatness and to the goal. You just have to keep going forward, ain't that right, babe?
Yeah. You're gonna go up there, babe?
Just a bit dodgy, that's all.
Oh, hey.
How was it?
Yeah, it was good.
Was it scary?
Yeah, a little bit. Just don't know where to put your foot in the mud.
Is it all just like that?
Yeah, it's like that up there. That's all like jagged and stuff.
Oh.
I know Vietnamese mountain goats.
No, you're not.
But I got to the dragon place.
Did you?
Yeah. I'll try to take a selfie.
No.
Lovely. So we just made it to the top of, what was it, Mua Cave?
To the top, make it drop.
And now we just got to go down now. So yeah, the hard bit's done really.
Well, I don't know because
The dodgy bit starts now.
Some of these are a bit scary.
Yeah. Yeah, we were just down
we
there.
were down there. That's where we got our boat.
First thing this
Yeah.
morning, 7 o'clock in the morning. 11 o'clock. So after a busy day, that's the end of Ninh Binh.
And we just finished up with roast duck from Family Restaurant, and it was very yummy.
Yeah, so highly recommend if you ever come here. But yeah, that's the end of Ninh Binh travels.
The end of the video.
The end of the video.
And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you can follow along for our next adventure.
All right. Who's out?